So now we're gonna go to the old woman's cave, which is over there, I think. Arleon's cracking the whip because we're all too slow. I know. Look at all that rain.
Sheets of it. Yeah, they were right about the storm coming in. It's happening.
It's supposed to be coming in from like Maui.
Yeah, from Maui.
Like that's how it's coming in this way.
Well, it also looks like something.
Yeah, there's like a front.
So what is this grass called again? From Bristolis?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, the story that I remember was that they would stay in here and they would signal through, build a fire to come out of this puka back here, supposedly.
Oh wow, lots of ferns.
No, this fern is
Not native. No.
So beautiful.
Not native. But
Oh, is this a native Portulaca? Or
oh, ihi. Oh yes, this is ihi. This is the other type.
oh, cool.
Yep.
I'm not useless.
Joey's in heaven. Joey's in heaven. Just realized there's another native portulaca here.
Didn't know it was native. It just looked like a Portulaca. This,
So this is where the
this
old
fern is
come out.
not native, but it's really pretty. And now we're gonna go. Ooh, lava tube, right?
Yeah, that's exactly what we got.
Awesome, first lava tube experience. Oh, that's so awesome. Tons of tide pools. Oh, crabs.
I know, look how high up they get from the water. They're just pretty impressive.
So what is, like, so you do all the marine stuff, you
I do,
oversee.
yeah. So we basically do anything that's aquatic. So we work up in the streams, we work up in the crater, which is more brackish, and then we also work primarily marine. Most of my degrees and educational experience is all in the marine realm. But
Okay.
I've learned a lot about freshwater biology on this job, so it's been very exciting. Which is fun, but the marine is still
Well, the freshwater streams here are what, like, relatively undiverse, and like they have like a goby and some shrimp.
They have
Some prawns.
A few streams in Hawaii that's got all 5 species of the goby.
Oh, cool.
It's got the native prawn, or native shrimp, I should say, and it's also got the macrobrachium invasive prawn. And then it's got the hiivi, the snail that's highly prized.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, it's pretty interesting.
You went to Maui at the Black Sand Beach.
Mm-hmm.
It was similar like this cave, which I reminded. But oh my gosh, this is, yes.
Yes, this is the old woman's cave.
Yes, I know. This way you've got it all.
The exit of the lava tube.